Hello, student. Welcome once again. Here is the Rajesh YouTube channel. So as we are studying one by one about the improvement of the food resources, it's a completed. We had study about the animal husbandry, beekeeping, beehivings, and piscicultures and fowl culture. Fowl means that poultry farmings and so vice versa. Different types of the animal husbandry, and these are the different types of the husbandry we had studied before that. So food improvements and how will you improve the foods and the different types of the food is available. Yes, some are in a grain forms. Oily foods is also in another forms, and also vegetable foods is available here. So vegetable farms and the fruits and the floriculture. We have not discussed the floriculture, but we will discuss about the floriculture in next sessions. But as according to the requires, we had studied a lot. So now it's in the part of this sessions of the class 9th. We have completed 8 in years the all the sections whatever you have required from me, and I hope that you have understood whatever I am giving you well versed way. And so if you don't don't have any query, please link is given below my descriptions. You can see that one links, and just and also open that my channels that will provide you what a lot of knowledge, a lot of the tactics, rules, and the technology and the doctrine of law through which you can take the knowledge and keep in your minds and fulfill your requirements. So okay, so one by one, so we had discussed last point here. So we will discuss about the honey some in advance, and after that we will close these chapters and start the next sessions and next criteria and the next terms related to its and its real meanings in a particular place to place, because every word have expressions. Means the word have some things, expressions say something, so word expressions is another things. So we have to understand that real makes sense. So without make sense, we cannot gain a ground in a particular area, because every subject, every spheres and part department is different meaning. So because if we are studying about the chemistry, the chemistry terms and terms and the related terminology is different. Physics have a different, biology have difference, social study have a difference, history have a difference, economics have a difference, civics have a difference, geography have a difference. These are the IT have a difference, and also computer science, information technology have a different meanings. Same words have a different meanings, means that we have to understood what would be that. So first of all, we have to understood these one things step by steps, not only but also have to do focus on that. So in these words is related to which subjects. So first of all, we have to see the subject, and then after, so if we understood this subject well versed way, then we will cover its well. So these are the some cases. There are a lot of cases is available here. So with the help of that, and we have disturbed ourselves, our minds. So always be whatever information is stored in our mind previously will always remain as it is when the and if this knowledge is not in a correct positions or in a correct way, or not understood it well, it's a definite meaning for the particular place and the particular subject point of view, we cannot express its real meanings and cannot fulfill our requirements, and those place it will provide us a sadness. So that will give you a sad conditions, and it will told generally that I think that its meaning would be saying that, but here is the sorry is telling something another meanings. So these are the different types of the meaning and make sense is going on. So here is the word, and the word have a different word can break you, make you, destroy your life forever. So you have to understand the word. So here come to the points. I will try my best to understand the honey somewhat, and then after close the chapter. Okay, so come here, and here we will write the honey. What is honey? Honey, as we know, that honey is the first and the foremost very important part of the bee. And the honeybee, we had discussed the 4 types of the honeybee. Yes, Apis florea, Apis mellifera, Apis indica. These and Apis dorsata, in which the Apis mellifera is the best and well known Italian bee through which we have get by which we have get gets the lot of honey and it's a nectar. So honey is a very luxurious and a sweet taste and is also useful for the medicinal point of view. First, medicine, medicine for food, for food and for food, for medicine foods, and also it is used here in economic economic activity, economic activity. So honey, how does it honey forms? Honey, formation of honey depend upon the bee, honey bee, honey bee, honey bee, honey the temperature, temperature, availability of flower, flower, and and pasture, pasturage, pasturage, pasturage. This availability of flowers and pasturage provides the honey best and best quality. So here is the honey is depend on the adequate quantity of pasturage and the flowers availability. So adequate quantity, it is adequate, adequate, adequate quantity of flowers and it's a pasturage. So if the flowers and the pasturage is available in adequate quantities, then the honey productions will be suitable and more and give the more yield. So here is the the value of honey obtained from the apicultures. So culture of honey is, as I have already told you, that culture of honey is called apiculture, and it is generally said that bee cultures, bee cultures, bee cultures are beehiving, beehive, hiving, beehivings. These are the different names. Apicultures, cultures means that apiculture means culturing of the honey by means of medicinal purpose point of, food purpose point of, economic purpose point of views, and it's produce the wax. Wax also produced by, I had already told you the wax is the best importance. It's relate to the wax, honey, wax, wax that used in medicine, medicines, dyes, colors, and different types of the cosmetics and the herbal substances that was made by the wax. So wax is not a general thing, so it's a very important part of the honey. So sorry, apiculture. So these are the apiculture terms. We have to understood it well versed way, and as we know that as a medicinal product, honey is actually luxurious products and it's a chemically we know that's a carbohydrates, different types of carbohydrates, monosaccharides, oligosaccharides, and polysaccharides, different types of the carbohydrates, but availability according to the digestion point of view, the glucose, fructose, maltose, mannose, lactose, okay, monolines, it's a protein, monolines protein. Different types of the factors means that monosaccharides is available, yes, and also polysaccharides is also available, oligosaccharides and sucrose is oligosaccharides, means more than one glucose molecule is available, yes, compound is available, so it is a oligosaccharides. And if you are talking about the polysaccharides means that's the polysaccharides. Here the polysaccharides means the plants have a cell wall, cell wall made up of the cellulose. So cellulose is a polysaccharide. And in human beings, we are discussing about the human beings. In human beings, a carbohydrate is stored in a different forms. That is here is the carbohydrate stored in polysaccharides means cellulose forms. But human means that animal carbohydrate is also different from the cellulose. So So we can say that here is the cellulose, and is the main part of the plants, and that responsible for this responsible for the formation of the cell wall. So cell walls are that made up of the cellulose. Cellulose is the polysaccharide. Polysaccharide, if you did, it can be broken into oligo and then oligo monosaccharide. So here is the discussions about the polysaccharides and the chemical equations. Chemical equations, suppose that we are talking about glucose C6H12O6, and second oligosaccharide C12H22O11. These are the oligosaccharides, and monosaccharides, oligosaccharides, and the polysaccharides have a different features, and also pentose sugar is also able to here pentose sugars. Pentose sugars means that's a 5 carbon containing DNA, RNA. These are the pentose sugar. 5 carbon containing sugar is available here. So 6 carbon containing sugar is available here. 12 carbon containing sugar is available here. So different carbon containing sugar on the basis of the carbon is a difference, on the basis of their their combinations are difference. So in a chemical point of view, and physical point of view, and biological point of view, these are different and different features. Okay, thank you very much for coming on channel. So once again, don't forget to share, subscribe. So this is these, and then these are the last two sessions, and the next times we will discuss about another things. Okay, another subject. Bye bye.